Welcome to my channel, where we dive into the world of classic yachts and timeless maritime adventures. Today, we're taking a close look at the 1981 Brauer Bützfleth 41AK Fly, a true gem from German shipbuilding heritage. This motor yacht embodies the elegance and durability of 1980s European design, perfect for those who appreciate a blend of luxury and practicality on the water. Whether you're a seasoned sailor or just dreaming of your first big cruise, stick around as we explore what makes this vessel stand out. Let's start with the key features that define the Brauer Bützfleth 41AK Fly. At its core, this yacht measures an impressive 12.86 meters in length overall, with a beam of 4.32 meters that provides stability and ample space without feeling overwhelming. The draft is a shallow 1.20 meters, making it ideal for navigating coastal waters, rivers, and even shallower bays where larger yachts might struggle. Weighing in at around 15 tons, it's built tough with a GRP hull in a classic off-white finish, complemented by a GRP superstructure and teak-decked surfaces that add that warm, nautical charm. Up top, the air draft is 3.80 meters, but with a collapsible radar arch, you can lower it for passing under bridges during inland explorations. Fuel capacity is generous at 1,500 liters in stainless steel tanks, while freshwater holds 1,000 liters, and there's even a 500-liter blackwater tank with easy deck extraction, practical touches that show this yacht was designed for extended trips. Power comes from twin Cummins diesel engines, each delivering 275 horsepower, paired with shaft drives and fixed propellers for reliable propulsion. Add in an electric bow thruster, and maneuvering in tight marinas becomes a breeze. Electrical systems are robust too, with recent batteries from 2025, a battery charger inverter combo, shore power, and a Panda Fisher 5000i generator to keep everything running smoothly off the grid. Moving on to the design, the Brauer Bützfleth 41AK Fly showcases that unmistakable German engineering precision from the Bützwerft Brauer Bützfleth yard. The exterior lines are timeless, clean, functional, and elegant, with a flybridge that elevates the experience literally and figuratively. The hull's semi-displacement shape allows for efficient cruising, cutting through waves with poise rather than pounding them. Teak finishes on the decks and cockpit not only look stunning but provide excellent grip underfoot, even when wet. Rubber rubbing strakes with stainless steel accents protect the sides during docking, and aluminum-framed tempered glass windows ensure durability against the elements. There's a single deck hatch for ventilation, 7 portholes for natural light, and insulation throughout to keep the interior comfortable in varying climates. The flybridge itself is a highlight, complete with a cockpit cover to shield from sun or rain, and it offers panoramic views for the captain and guests. Down below, the aft cockpit is teak-laid and spacious, with an opening door for easy access, a bathing platform, boarding ladder, and even davits for a tender. Accessories like a deck shower, anchor with chain, and deck wash system make maintenance and enjoyment straightforward. Overall, the design prioritizes smart space utilization. It's not the biggest yacht out there, but it feels expansive, making it perfect for couples or small families who want versatility without excess. Now, let's step inside and talk about the interior features that make living aboard the Brauer Bützfleth 41AK Fly feel like a floating home. The cabin layout sleeps up to 6 in 2 dedicated cabins plus convertible spaces, all wrapped in rich teak paneling that gives off that cozy, warm vibe synonymous with classic European yachts. Headroom is a consistent 1.90 meters, so even taller folks won't feel cramped. The main salon is the heart of the interior, a bright, spacious area flooded with light from large panoramic windows, featuring comfortable seating and a navigation center integrated seamlessly. It's the perfect spot to relax after a day on the water, with carpeted floors adding a touch of luxury underfoot. Adjacent is the fully equipped galley, down a few steps for practicality, boasting granite countertops, a stainless steel sink, ceramic cooker, oven, fridge, and freezer. Hot water comes via 220V or engine heat, and an electrical pressure system ensures reliable flow. For dining, there's a convertible dinette that cleverly transforms into an extra berth when needed. The owner's cabin forward offers AV berth or island-style double bed measuring around 2.00 meters long, surrounded by storage drawers, hanging lockers, and shelves. It includes an ensuite head with an electric toilet, wash basin, and separate shower stall, recently renovated for modern comfort. The aft guest cabin is equally inviting, with 2 large single berths at 2.0 meters by 0.90 meters each, plus its own separate head featuring an electric toilet, wash basin, and shower. Both bathrooms have teak accents, mirrors, and good ventilation, blending functionality with style. Heating is provided by a diesel ducted hot air system from Eberspacher, keeping things toasty on cooler evenings, while entertainment options include a TV, satellite, radio, and salon speakers. Every detail, from brass fittings to polished wood grains, screams quality craftsmanship, creating an interior that's not just practical but genuinely welcoming for long stays or weekend escapes. When it comes to performance aspects, the Brauer Bützfleth 41AK Fly delivers a solid, dependable ride that's more about steady cruising than breakneck speed. Those twin Cummins diesels, with about 3,308 hours on them, provide a combined 550 horsepower, pushing the yacht to a comfortable cruising speed of around 8 to 10 knots, with a top end nearing 15 knots depending on conditions. Fuel efficiency is respectable for a vessel of this size, thanks to the semi-displacement hull that balances speed with stability, meaning you can cover good distances without guzzling diesel. The shaft drive system, lubricated with grease, ensures smooth power transfer, and mechanical gearboxes keep things reliable. Hydraulic steering at both the internal helm and flybridge offers precise control, while the electric bow thruster makes docking and low-speed maneuvers effortless, even in windy harbors. Anti-fouling was freshly applied in 2024, reducing drag and improving hull performance, and the bilge pumps handle any water ingress automatically. Navigation is supported by a full suite of instruments: compass, depth sounder, log, windset, VHF radio, rudder angle indicator, plotter, and radio receiver, all essential for safe passage. The yacht handles choppy seas well, with its wide beam providing roll resistance, and the flybridge position gives excellent visibility for spotting obstacles or enjoying the scenery. Whether you're planning coastal hops or longer voyages across inland waterways, this yacht's performance strikes a great balance, powerful enough for confidence but efficient for extended adventures without constant refueling stops. Finally, what really sets the Brauer Bützfleth 41AK Fly apart are its unique selling points that make it a standout in the classic yacht market. First and foremost is the renowned German craftsmanship from Brauer Bützfleth, built to last with high-quality materials like GRP for low maintenance and stainless steel tanks that resist corrosion over decades. This particular model has been meticulously maintained, with an impeccably clean and accessible engine room that speaks to its care, plus recent upgrades like new batteries in 2025 and a Blackwater system with pump-out capabilities for eco-friendly cruising. The smart layout maximizes every inch, impressive living space for a 41-footer, ideal for liveaboards or family outings, without the complexity of larger vessels. It's versatile too, suited for both luxurious weekend getaways in marinas and ambitious long voyages, thanks to generous tank capacities and reliable systems. The Flybridge adds that extra layer of enjoyment, offering an open-air command center with seating for guests, protected by a bimini and covers. Safety features abound, from navigation lights and a searchlight to fire extinguishers, fenders, and mooring lines, ensuring peace of mind. At an asking price around €74,900, it represents excellent value for a well-equipped classic that's ready to sail without major investments. What truly sells it, though, is the intangible charm, the warm wood interiors that feel like a cozy retreat, the sturdy build that inspires confidence in rough weather, and the overall design that prioritizes real-world usability over flashy gimmicks. If you're in the market for a yacht that combines heritage with functionality, the Brauer Bützfleth 41AK Fly is hard to beat. It's not just a boat. It's a lifestyle enabler for those passionate about the sea. Thanks for watching this review of the 1981 Brauer Bützfleth 41AK Fly. If you enjoyed it, hit that like button, subscribe for more yacht explorations, and drop a comment below if you've ever cruised on a similar classic. fair winds and following seas. See you in the next video.